Hey, small business owners, trying to pick the best tool to manage your clients and grow faster? Let's compare Acuity Scheduling and HoneyBook. Then check out top alternatives for 2025. Let's dive in. First, Acuity Scheduling. Acuity is all about making booking easy. It lets clients schedule appointments online, syncs with your calendar, and sends automatic reminders to cut no-shows. You can collect payments during booking and customize forms to gather clients' info. It's great for tutors, fitness pros, or healthcare folks needing simple scheduling. Plans start at $16 a month. Now, HoneyBook. HoneyBook is a full business management tool. It handles scheduling, but also offers contracts, invoices, proposals, and client communication in one dashboard. Its templates and automation save time on repetitive tasks. Perfect for freelancers like photographers or consultants. Plans start at $19 a month after a discount. So which is better? Acuity shines for straight-up scheduling. It's cheaper and simpler if you just need clients to book appointments. HoneyBook is better for managing your whole business, scheduling, payments, and client follow-ups in one place. It's pricier but save time if you're juggling multiple tasks. Looking for other options? Try Calendly for team scheduling. Great integrations, starts free. Setmore is cloud-based, good for branded booking pages, also has a free plan. Vev blends Acuity's booking ease with HoneyBook's client management, works on any device, and has a free option. Wrap up. Pick Acuity for simple scheduling, HoneyBook for all-in-one business management, or explore alternatives like Calendly, Setmore, or Vev based on your needs. Which will you try? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.